Hi, my name is Talia, and this is the secret that keeps me sick. I have an eating disorder. So, what is an eating disorder? I'll describe to you in my own words of what my mental illness is like with my eating disorder. What is an eating disorder? It's all about control for me. It's about being in control of myself and having control over what I can have control over. Really, in life, there's nothing we have control over. God's the one in control. I'm not the one in control. There's really nothing in life I have control over. So to be able to control what I eat or what goes in my body is it's very important to me, I guess. With eating disorders, it's your secrets that keep you sick. And just today, I'm trying to be honest about where I am and who I am. So, I have an eating disorder. And I need to do the honest thing. It's our secrets with eating disorders that keep us sick. And just saying you have an eating disorder is a secret that is keeping you sick. Normally with eating disorders, it comes with substance abuse problems. There's a pretty high percentage of eating disorder patients that have drug use problems because it helps you stay skinny, helps you not eat, helps you deal with what's going on inside of you and those secrets that you're holding on to that are keeping you sick and keeping you using and keeping you ill. So today is the day I'm going to be honest. I have an eating disorder. And today, I'm not going to act out in that. From midnight to midnight, I'm not going to act out in that. And I encourage anyone else with an eating disorder to go to a Narcotics Anonymous, to go to an AA, to go to an open meeting, even if you don't have substance abuse problems, to seek out help, to go to therapy. But more than anything, go to meetings, go to Narcotics Anonymous and Alcoholics Anonymous, and go to those meetings because a lot of those people are very understanding. They get us because they are us. We all have issues and we all, and I encourage you to seek out a support group. Seek out people that are supportive of you and try to be honest just for today and not hold on to those secrets that keep you sick. Thank you. You guys have a wonderful day.